Welcome to our video guide on effectively managing purchase report. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of navigating the purchase report module. This tool allows you to track sales volumes, providing insights into your business performance. To begin, ensure you have the purchase report module installed via the App Shop. Once installed, navigate to the Reports and Purchase Report tabs to unlock the full potential of this feature. On the Customer Purchase Report page, in the Filter section, you can customize your report information based on various criteria. Sales channels, check the boxes next to the required sales channels. Customers, utilize customer details, such as name, email address, and search options for repeat, new, or all customers. Product, filter reports based on product details, including name, model, and manufacturer. Shipping, specify shipping details like address, suburb, country, city, state, and postcode. Choose months and date ranges effortlessly by selecting options from the drop-down calendar or choosing predefined ranges like 1 month, 3 months, etc. Explore the charts section to track sales volumes. Visualize total orders count, total orders amount, and average order amount with easy-to-read charts. Navigate to the detailed table featuring columns like customer name, email address, shipping details, customer type, repeat, new, or all, total orders count, total orders amount, and average order amount. Easily sort information by clicking on the up and down triangle icons in each column. Need to share or analyze your customer purchase reports externally? Click on the Export button to effortlessly export your data to a CSV file. For convenient management of a large number of records, customize the display of record quantity per page. Simply select your preferred number from the drop-down list. With these tips, managing your purchase reports becomes an efficient and insightful process. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful insights.